Agile project management platforms versus project collaboration tools. Which one is better for tech teams? Most tech teams get project execution wrong by confusing task tracking with strategic project management. The surprising truth is that Agile project management platforms and project collaboration tools serve distinct purposes, and choosing the right one can dramatically boost delivery and team efficiency. Project collaboration tools focus on communication and document sharing. They let team members chat, share files, and keep everyone on the same page. For example, a design team using a tool like Slack or Microsoft Teams can quickly exchange updates, attach design files, and coordinate across time zones. Collaboration tools improve visibility and connectivity, but they don't inherently manage workflows or enforce deadlines. Agile project management platforms, on the other hand, are designed to structure work in iterative cycles. They include features like sprint planning, backlog management, user story tracking, and burned-end charts. A software development team, for instance, can use an Agile platform like Jira to plan 2-week sprints, assign tasks, track progress, and quickly pivot when priorities change. These platforms ensure teams stay aligned on objectives, timelines, and deliverables. Which is better for tech teams? If your focus is facilitating communication and document sharing, project collaboration tools are ideal. If your goal is managing complex projects with iterative development, task prioritization, and delivery tracking, Agile project management platforms are essential. Many successful tech teams combine both: Agile platforms for structured delivery and collaboration tools for seamless communication. Key takeaway: high-performing tech teams don't just communicate, they execute efficiently. The surprising truth is that integrating Agile project management with collaboration tools ensures teams are not only connected but also consistently delivering high-quality results on time.